Gillespie. It's my Italian brother.
Buongiorno.
The best way is to kick the gypsy and to steal their gypsy tears.
The best way is to kill the gypsy.
Kill the gypsy. We run over gypsies here in Athens. Alright, I'm here with Mr. Nussbaum. We arrived here in Athens. I'm wearing a Wolves shirt because, well, the Wolves lost this morning. I woke up at 2:30 in the morning to watch them. But I'm willing to say Wolves in 7 still. Here we go. Why not? Mr. Nussbaum here is saying Thunder in 7. He prefers The Godfather, so we'll go back to his real name, The Godfather.
I was about 220. Close to like
Yeah. My brother's just telling me how fat he is.
Shut up.
Dingus. Go on. He's like, F you. We're still coming up with Uncle Chris's Greek name. In Scottsdale, he was the Godfather. I thought Mr. Nussbaum, but it really doesn't have applicability here, so we might just call him Panos, which is shorthand for, you know. This is cool, Chris. The ticket guy's gonna get pissed. Where you at, Chris?
Greece.
We're in Greece.
Athens.
He's in Athens. We'll see all this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Kind of a climb already. Beware the power of the gypsies. Beware the gypsy tears. Uncle Chris and I just stumbled across somebody's ancient house here, and you can see the mosaic floor of their house. How cool is that? So this house that we spotted was from the 2nd century AD. So that means this was probably around, I don't know, 100, 150 AD. So that's pretty new. It's not old.
4th century BC.
What? Really?
6th century BC.
So this dates back to 500 BC, and there's a series of fountains that would be used to spread water to the city that came through here. Look at that. So everywhere we go, we just randomly run into places, and apparently somebody lived in this, like in the year 500 BC. These sandals are walking where other people used to have their sandals. Yeah, that's how we get up. I told Uncle Chris we weren't going to have any hiking. I think I lied. I think we're going to do a little off-road exploring here.
Well, that was worth it.
Poor kitty's trying to get some shade. Oh my God, man, this is like... Literally, Apostle Paul used to walk up these stairs. It was Uncle Chris. So for democracy, they'd all have to walk up this hill to hear people preach.
Yeah.
Wow. The highest point. Almost there. There we go, Chris, look at that. In front of you. So this is the rock. This is the rock that Apostle Paul used to preach about Jesus Christ in the year 50 AD. Screw up an angle here. Awesome. So that's it. That's the fortified city. That's the Acropolis. But you don't see everything. That's just the beginning. That's the entryway. Little Chris is telling me to stay away from being down there. Hey, there's the ancient Stoa. That's why they're called Stoics.
Yeah, very much like Rome.
I went up here. So Apostle Paul used to preach the good word of Jesus here in the year 50 AD. This is slippery. It
is.
Almost feels like it's marble.
It is.
Is it marble?
Yeah.
He's reading on Wikipedia about Paul speaking out against the multiple gods right here, and it was getting people pissed off, and they arrested him for it. Uncle Chris wants to walk the path of Jesus, courtesy of Apostle Paul. You got to hang out where an apostle spoke, man. That is really cool, actually. Oh, this is where you could fall over and die. I'm not gonna do it, Chris. Where's Grandma? Oh my God, Corey John, I can't believe you'd get this close to the edge. Watch. See that, Grandma? Grandma, you see that?
Yeah. Get me nervous thinking about it now.
I won't. I'm not gonna fall.
All right, let's go
I
this
promise.
way. Let's keep the heart.
These are ancient garbage cans.
Have to Google how many people died.
So to get up to here where people preached and spoke and argued and debated and showed philosophy, man, that is a hike to get up there. With some treacherous rock. Just ask Uncle Chris. I almost slipped a couple times. He's got cat-like reflexes though. We know that. So Uncle Chris and I just saw, the Godfather and I just saw that this is formerly a Roman bath down there. I have to walk down there tomorrow and see it. We were in a Roman bath that was still at Pompeii, remember?
Yes.
We saw the real thing.
water.
Hot water. There it is. I've never seen that up close. We're gonna go there tomorrow. That's in the Greek Agora. I forgot what the name of the temple is though.
Yes, rocks.
Looks like there's a Fanta down here, Uncle Chris. This is a real selfie stick. In case we find any gypsies, we can beat them with our selfie stick.
Muchas veces por las mismas calles, pero no son de
Gypsy tears. If we find any, let's find a bottle so we can collect some gypsy tears. Oh, do you just take a video of me?
Yeah.
Video of you doing a video of that.